Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene. Today I'm going to show you how to prep a timber house and get it ready for painting. And you need to know 90% of this job is in the prep.
First things first, start with a plan. Understand the project timeframes and consider your access options. Make sure you have the correct tools and PPE. Check the condition of your timber and also any existing coatings. Houses built into the early 80s should be tested for lead paint. You can do this by taking a sample to your local Resene colour shop or grab a test kit and do it yourself. Wash the house thoroughly. If moss or mould are present, apply Resene Moss and Mould Killer according to the instructions on the pack.
Leave for a few hours.
Then wash your house as you would your car using a large, soft bristled brush and Resene Paint Prep and House Wash. Rinse well with fresh water afterwards. Remove all loose and flaking paint. If coatings are failing badly, they will need to be removed by scraping or chemically stripped. It's important to contain all dust and paint flakes. If stripping, apply Sea to Sky coating remover, leave to soak for the recommended time, then scrape off the old paint, sand, and then apply Resene Quick Dry to the bare timber.
Then apply Resene Timber Surface Prep. You can use multiple coats to create a very smooth, blemish-free surface.
Sand all prepared substrates, removing all sharp edges, drips, previous runs and sags,
using 220 grit sandpaper.
All areas should be smooth and deglossed, and all dust should be removed using a dusting brush. Use Resene Quick Dry to spot prime any bare patches of timber. Then fill cracks, gaps and holes, then lightly sand these areas when dry.
Strip back any rusted flashings and soakers. Remove red rust and scale back to sound metal before applying Resene ArmorX GP Metal Primer.
Do a final once-over, including removing dust and contamination and any old redundant fixtures before applying your top coats.
Organise your workspace, remove all debris and clutter, and you're ready to paint.